papunta na tayo sa
Easy. Kunin natin yung ano. Tingnan natin kung anong mangyayari. Update natin yung pagdating namin doon.
for this content. I hope natuwa kayo sa mga nakita nyo. By the way, this yan, yung nakikita nyong cabinet or hanging cabinet na yan was just made of was just made out of scrap woods. So this is just to show how Filipinos are really creative when it comes to those things. So isipin nyo, out of scrap woods sa tinanggal sa mga cabinet, it was turned out into this beautiful hanging cabinet wherein I can put on all the things or the boxes for the rig that I have built. So ayun. And I hope this will help you to pursue the things that you want to do in your life as well, or if there are things that you need to pursue for yourself, just keep on dreaming, and time will come for sure that makakamit nyo rin yun. So maybe this is just a simple thing, but for me it's a really big achievement to buy my own rig coming out on my own pocket. So I think that's all. So grabe, wala na akong masabi. Siguro shout out na lang kay Matthew Gamban for editing this video. Bro, hindi dahil sa'yo this won't be possible. So again, thank you so much. Subscribe din kayo sa channel niya or sa Facebook page niya, Mateo Gamban. He's doing live 5M GTA. And he's doing some video editing as well. So if you need help, you can reach out to him. So lagay mo na lang dyan, lagay mo dyan yung link mo. As well as don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well and follow my Facebook page. Try to do as much as I can for live streaming. So please stay tuned to my channel, and soon we'll continue to give away prizes for you guys. So again, mga boss, this is Mega Gaming, and I hope nagustuhan nyo itong channel to. Peace out. Bye.